again. You're going to do the same thing on here. It's going to be this really big round. All right, and I love your shirt here to stay.
To view owls as being messengers of the gods. In ancient Greece, the owl was the symbol of Athena, the goddess of wisdom, art, and war. And this perception of owls, in which they are thought of as being more intelligent and mysterious, has survived in many other modern cultures as well. Thus the adage, the wise old owl.
All right, photographer of the day. Are we getting some good shots of the show? You ready for your close up?
Excuse me. All right, we're gonna see if he wants to go back down to Stephanie. And then, once he's back down to Stephanie,
Point your camera down at her and get ready for the shot of a lifetime.
This is going to be the one time he doesn't want to fly.
Yeah, this is going to be the one cue he doesn't do.
Said carcasses, vultures are keeping everything nice and clean. As a matter of fact, turkey vultures in particular have especially strong stomachs that are capable of killing a wide variety of
vultures, and protect Andean condors in South America. We are also working hard to reestablish healthy populations of California condors right here in
studying the needs of these newly reintroduced populations down in Texas, working with landowners to try to restore native habitat, and also erecting nest platforms like the one you see on our trail over here. Tier 4,000 peregrine falcons back out into
and many more. So thank you to our sponsors. Without them, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. But especially thank you to our wonderful volunteers, our docents, our staff, our ushers, our raptor care volunteers. We really rely heavily on our volunteers.